Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today, as you can see, we are going to be having our review of One Day Saving Part 2. So, if there are any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. So do check that out. Now, this kit is a 55 by 71, and it was $15.53. Yeah, so let's get into it. I will be right back. All right, I am back. Look at that gorgeous picture. I know you've seen this before. Isn't that gorgeous? Just love those peonies. Oh my goodness, it is so vivid and so striking. I just love that there's 3 butterflies here. It's just absolutely beautiful. And it's 55 by 72. I'm going to put that up over there where it won't get lost. And we do have a paper pattern. And yes, this, folks, is a silk pattern. I was looking, well, the paper pattern is all on one page. Let me see if I can get up any hot air there. Maybe we can see more. So we have colors here. I'm trying. My fingers are so dry from working. So the pattern is on 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's eight different pages, if you will. 37 colors. It is 195 by 266, but very nice. Now it has no 310, no 550, no 823. We do have 823 and 939 in silk, and we also have 3371 in silk. And I don't know what they're using for a white. They must be using like a lighter color. Now, I don't know if these symbols will match the canvas. So we'll compare, you know, when I get that far. But very nicely printed pattern. Very easy to see all the symbols here. So I'm just going to set that aside. It does have a full page instructions. Very nice. Very nice indeed. It's so nice, you know, if you're new at this, you know, you're looking at, straining at, looking at those little papers, it's kind of hard. But it does have the how to stitch as well. Let's take a look and see what is in here. Look at all those yummy colors. This is such a gorgeous, stunning, stunning kit. I'm just going to set that aside so I can get everybody together here. There was a crunchy bag and I didn't know what was going on. Okay. We have a toolkit with looks like 3 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. We'll set that aside. Does have an extra bag with some extra green and some extra blue. I'm not going to open that up because, you know, we don't want to give it a chance to go bing. But we'll find out here in a minute what those extra colors are. Let me get a hold of this and get it going in the right direction. And this is not a big, well, yeah, it is 71, but it just seems like it's not that big. So you have some lovely gold. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness. Just absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that 3771. I know that exactly what that is. And there is your 823. So maybe that's extra 823. And this is your 939. Maybe this is 939 and that's 823. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's a lot darker. But beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, silky. Beautiful. Look how it just shines and shimmers. And since I've been using this new stuff, we're on it now. It's just absolutely gorgeous. gorgeous. Look at those greens. Can you ever? We have kind of a charcoal grayish color. Beautiful reds. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Ugh. Okay, let me see if I can get everybody together. And fold that back up in there. Put the toolkit back in there. Just so it's all together. It gets a little slippery, so I just want to get it back in its bag. Hang on. Now, I usually work from these cards. I don't go to the trouble to put them, you know, in a in separate baggies. I have a long time ago, but it's just as easy. And once I get it in its own one of these, I don't worry. You know, I'll get it out of the bag that it originally came from because it's so slippery. But that seems to work for me, so yay. Let's get a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. There are 2 more needles right there. So yeah, it's kind of longish. Whoop, I'm sorry. I'm going to move the needles just because I don't want to jam them up my hand. We'll put them right over there. Beautiful, beautiful, well done. Very nicely printed. Nice big key. And no, the symbols do not match. So the canvas has its own symbols, but it's very easy to see because it is an 11 count. I don't think I've seen a 14 or lesser, you know, like 18 or 18, 16, or 14 in this at all. So, kind of like to see them do that. It'd be interesting. And then you'd only have to use one of those threads, you know, for like an 18 or a 16 count. Very nice. Very well printed. Nice, easy to see key. I was waiting to get to the bottom here. So it does say 195 by 266. I'm not seeing where it says how big it is. That was just on that piece of paper. So let's flip this if I can so that I can measure it. Let's see here. It is 27 inches or 68.5 centimeters by 50, almost a little over 52.5 centimeters or 20.75 inches. The actual picture size is 17.25 inches or almost 44 centimeters by approximately, we're going over bumps and hills here, we're trying to get it to like that, about 59.5 centimeters or 23.25 inches. But you know what I liked about this was the fact that the pieces and parts were big areas. You know, it's not like you're trying to cram 40 different colors in one space. I'm telling you, for me, when doing confetti on silk, it's just a little much some days. Because I've had a couple of those kits. But for the most part, you can see that they're nice, bigger areas. I like that fact. So, very easy to do. There might be a touch of confetti, but it's just separated a little bit different than cotton confetti, I guess. So, not too bad at all. Very nice. Very nice indeed. I'm trying to get it back in its folded up state here, because it's just getting to be a bit much. Alright, so that is what I got from OneDaySaving today. Now, like I said, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes. It'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for this beautiful, beautiful kit. Love it. I want to get a hold of them needles. Oh gosh, I'm just going to put them over here on my thing. I know they're safe on my pin cushion. They were rolling over here. Let's not go there. Now, OneDaySaving does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all three of those. They also do custom, and they always have a nice selection on any craft that you'd want to work on, you know, in those three categories. Always nice big selection, great prices, great sales. Now their custom does come in paint by number, diamond painting, and cross stitch. So check that out. Some stores only have one or the other, or maybe diamond painting, cross stitch. But they have it on all three. So very nice. So if you got a special picture, yeah, go for it. They always turn out nice. I haven't had a problem with OneDaySaving, and I think I've ordered from them personally, but I always have great luck getting my orders in, you know, when I make them to make reviews and stuff. Takes about 2 weeks here where I live. I don't know what it would take where you live, so do check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.